Hojigi ojagadon magi colleagues on the chienara karinara haye haibado kana kumabu pibra pidabra pirame haroshu angak pa oiroi phangde haroshu angak pa oiroi ado leye leite haibasi official lidi adugumba a comment pinning de hojigi ojagadon magi colleagues on the chienara karinara haye haibado kana kumabu pibra pidabra pirame haroshu angak pa oiroi phangde haroshu angak pa oiroi ado leye leite haibasi official lidi adugumba a comment pinning de mana di pirame haye adubo official le khoi phangdaba tarabdi hoi might be hoi magi yamna close set oiba amani bu pikhi de habagi adugi wafam de khangde go but officially asamba table the puthong na de officially di phangde ba phangde haina haininge but kana humana phangrame harabisu ei angak pa oiroi ba ei khoi gi si handak da thokpa issue nate problem nate ko asi 1981 de na thor khrabne ba aduna naga gi position on our ancestral homeland haibadi yamna clear oina leire ba masi samna na ena ma haininge ekhoi gi valley da leiriba iching nausing na or government nara or ibobin yamna iba khotpa si any scene I am haina yamna heta dragging into the asigi problem se asi tawbi da ba phe haibdi 1981 de na hawra khraba problem ne adu matam da NACN haiba leiti ba aduna takpadi it is a people's movement aduna noina chatpa kan shu valley da leriba iching now all the communities bushu haibio masidi naga ancestral homeland gi matang hairabadi it is people's issue ni haina go nataba NACN gi maming si adamaina heta chingsilaga mi atopa gi favor heta lauge haiba government of India gi favor heta lauge haiba adu tawdba phei chap pot lei khrabani haibasi ad tamda leiriba all the communities Manipur da leiriba including India da leiriba international nationalities mayambo a asi convey tawninge I don't want to tarnish the name of the NACN it is a people's movement yabdo sing na haibyo why every issue si dialogue na lotion ke dobni ko dialogue haibasi agenda lerga basis lerga dialogue tawgdabani yaba ko ado government of Manipur gi response invitation or adugumba intimation ngairaga haiba tarene haibdi ekhoishu yamna phaningba mi ni aduga ekhoina tawriba kholiba singsu community ama bushu target taw jabanate but ekhoina tawriba sinago hojigi 1981 ge MOU lere 1992 gi lere 1996 gi lere 1998 gi lere aduga 2011 the government of India ne intervene tawduna adumna loishin khraba poshing ne aba haibdi all the stakeholders bu ta narga tawthok da port ni habasi patn irga well established taw khraba port sida mahagna adumoina tawkhibud si adugi yaning da makheni aba masi adune it has to come from the government hojigi sigi matanga sida November gi day 13 sida joint secretary north east Sajendra God mana ekwegi president ngonda masigi issue agitation gi matang asida Delhi da date 15 da tripartite talk she haina magi invitation lage ba ko ado kana no hairga government of Manipur shu yawni noi shu yawni ekwei government of India haina phajen haiki ba haiki ba kanda ekwegi president ngonda ekwegi Manipur gi chief secretary na telephone tawrage ba telephone ado mana ekwegi president loud speaker do hapching bane hapchin baga aduda aishu lakane unase ithanda nate principal secretary homra egi subordinate officer amaga lakane haye mana haye muka adu ekwei myam chaksu chamina se ko haye ba aduda ekwegi president aduna tan kise tan khrabagi matungda chak chamina ba yare phare chamina se abda man pat ꯐꯖꯅ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯦꯠ 14ꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯠꯁꯤ 15ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ UNCꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤꯚ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ANSAMꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯇꯦꯇꯤꯚꯁꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯐꯠꯇꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ UNC ꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯠ 15ꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯊ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯅꯤ
ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 23ꯇ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯃꯥꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ Goodwill Mission on Peaceful Coexistence ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯆꯤꯟꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯨꯁꯂꯤꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯅꯥꯎ ꯌꯧꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯡꯒꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯨꯜꯒꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯟꯗꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯃꯦꯡꯂꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯩꯁꯦ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯁꯦꯅꯥꯄꯇꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯐꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ UNCꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯡꯐꯨꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯕꯨ ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯝꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯃꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯏꯁꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯁꯥꯕꯇ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯃꯤꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯧꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯀꯁꯇꯗꯤꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛ ꯆꯪꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯟꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯂꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 18ꯗ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ UNCꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯃꯤ 3ꯁꯤ 14 ꯁꯦꯞꯇꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔꯁꯤ ꯗꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯀꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ 15ꯗ ꯎꯅꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯂꯤꯒꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯏꯟꯆꯥꯔꯖ ꯁꯇ꯭ꯌꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯊꯦꯡꯕꯗ SMS ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯗꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯇꯣꯛ ꯌꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯤꯀꯦꯠꯁꯨ ꯀꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯍꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯍꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ UNCꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯒ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯤꯛꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯎꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯔ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯒ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯅꯍꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯑꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯗꯤꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯎꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯎꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯛꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯩꯈꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯗꯦ ꯍꯩꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯂꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯂꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯑꯥꯔ ꯏꯟꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯁꯥꯒꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯄꯨꯂꯞꯀꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯊꯪꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯋꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯁ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯏꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣ ꯏꯕꯣꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯗꯥꯁ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯕꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯇꯨ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯕꯠ ꯂꯦꯟ ꯕꯤꯂꯣꯡꯁ ꯇꯨ ꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯥꯔꯠ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯐꯥꯎꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ 1981ꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯅꯥꯒꯥ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒ ꯏꯅꯈꯤꯕ adoga haiduna 92 da Naga Student Federation ga inakiba MOU 96 da UNC ga ANSAM ga inakiba 98 da amu UNC ga inakiba 2011 da Home Ministry digi sumana UNC da masi mayam ga tanaraga thogodo pot ni hare adoga hanak November tang tara da shu Chief Secretary Honorable Kishore gi magi press note appeal da shu tawdo tara shu mayam se stakeholder mayam tanagni haibumdi panmni aba adobo new administrative or district haibudi moi palam de ado mathang da even 11 November Chief Minister gi letter to Union Home Minister modu do shu modu line ma pale aba sentence ma palamanga hek tawthurab kanadi lam si kana gumbagi lebak si kana gumbagi shu nate masi government ni haina tawthurab de akhoi naga in particular akhoi de masi amna chawba insult ado yam chawba challenge mani adana akhoi gi de lam gi matang de akhoi lam pu yaudana government oisuna ma oisuna decision law yaroi hojik sida hospital sagaliba nursing training institute sariba anauna bo ina development program ebitara hana gi DC office gi amamagi haibu ganda lam sina kana gi no mapu kana no hairaga tanaraga piribni madu compensation pigdo piraga madu project se sagalibni whereas Manipur government na hoji hairisi land doesn't belong to any particular community ado masi government ne haibisi di masi gi justification piraga third party any stakeholder tanab daga leite kam what me kri lagadra tawgni dur day ni masi di leak tawdo ba wafam ni adona midnight ta decision laura lokto khudubni haiba mayam sidi masi ne chief minister gi magi lakado ba hojik 2017 gi assembly election sida maduda khakta political mileage launa ba adoga sigida sumaina chingtam haibda social divide message hen among sagat ba imphal na counter blockade even Delhi the show naga khoi na district creation gi yade haiba imphal the show Delhi the show tampak gi lakpa khoi mete chinau khoi na mo ngasi se ngasi nimit se jantra mantra da economy block ki matang na muga protest on le adana masi guma khoi society chida si tawraga si social divide ora si tawraga chingmi tami sida misunderstanding la hai bisi sason pairiba chief minister oina leiriba moina madu gido masi oraga na soigni masi oraga na masi phatab lagni hai bodo moina khangna masi tawrakpa hai bisi masi di akhui damakti madu damakta ngarang nahandi ge hauna office picketing tawbni ngarang sinapita de mitra hena soe madugumba unprovoked oiba adoga peaceful agitation office changhaloi office kahaloi hainu tawrubuda tear gas caption ba blank fire tawba sumana akhoi bo suppress tawni haibse masi khap tada sinba haibse di masine ne khoina hoji kri haina thokadra adoga hoji problem leiriba makhai mase dialogue tawgudubni haibada nahandi tawrani hara madugi matung sing si tang mariamu sure krisu laktre maramduna government na tasingma mak masi problem solve on masinra natraga masigi agenda si suma thanamaga mayona chahalaga magi khudong chaba thiribra bise masi public na su jasmine piba matamdi lakrabni lakte moina haibisna sangthana mana senapati da dialogue tawse o chura chanpur da tawse na government bo chingla chapa habidi madudi phajama walle maramduna impal lao non impal pam der su dili chase se hairu bunya ba pare adudi madugi line da hairuga tawnabu gi process creation official confirmation creation laktre ba
conflict situation da government chu akhoi miyam haib tare si in the kokmar si kri no economic blockade is not the issue hojik district se create to ba yaroi toge harisu consult to batabani if it is for the benefit of the people, they have to consult the people. But the government have failed to do that. Hojik akoy Meitei Ichin Naw Singna bahap tabe sidi economic blockage ni issue ne hana khanbane, which is very wrong. Economic blockage kri gi impose to no haibadi kana na so hangde. Ado economic blockage akoy mi na hat ka tore UNC ne terrorist sin hat ka tore hana yam tawraga Imphal da church su thukai bigre church su ka halloi haire bus naga gi khunda Christmas chat ka daba sing travelers sing busu disturb tore right before the nose of the state police forces nung thome praja myam na sawdo maram gari gi economic blockade to no haibdi kana na su never given a thought to ask why economic blockade is imposed by the Naga. They only knows that economic blockade has been imposed to kill the Meiteis out of starvation. Chak lam halaga chak phang handabi da hat ka dore adu maram kari gino haibdi gino to de ko. That is why the hojiki issue je economic blockade sina issue na te core issue di ngasai gi ba lam gi bisina issue ne mashi phapta haninge. And this movement is nothing against any particular community, any particular neighbors. No, we are not against the Meiteis, we are not against the Muslims, we are not against the Bangals, or we are not against the Kukis, Mizos. Manipur da leiriba mi mayam bu akoina Naga singna against the chalaga toban nate. This is against the government of Manipur. And if the other communities, neighboring communities doesn't give an effort to understand the sentiments, the feelings, and most importantly, the history and the political rights of the Nagas, I think this situation will continue. It may worsen also. Hojik bahap taba sumayna lana chat ki bajidi a very unfortunate for us. Maram du krino hen hang bida sumayna bahap taba lana chat kre, but we cannot solely blame on them. It is the responsibility of the people to ask the government why. It is the government who is responsible. Si government initiate already kanana to no. From our birth, we are ready for a talk. That's the reason why we went even to the to Delhi, but they did not turn up. Aduka hojik di UNC na wangang ningde haibi lomda chathari. This is wrong. Government na khange sooner or later this has to be settled by dialogue. What is had to be the karamaina loisin ngani si. Adu si what is haraga loisin beta karle haibidi khang na karigi initiate to ba. If they are responsible government, if they are people's government, if they claim that they are a popular government, they have to initiate. UNC Naga sing no koina nungay do krino hangbadi hangbam thoina. But till date adugumba initiative global lately. Aduna akoina ngai raga lebi sunate, we will continue to protest against this government's moves. Masi haining Nagas sida Manipur da leriba mi mayam je Meitei na independent phangrasu, Naga na independent phangrasu, Kuki na independent phangrasu, they will continue to live together as a good neighbors. Meiteis cannot isolate from the reality of the Naga economy. And Meiteis doesn't understand this. Why? Masi akoy Meitei Ichin Naw Sing bu educate to su takar lere. Yes, Nagas may also cannot be isolated from the reality of the Meiteis economy because we are neighbors. Masida Naga ni independent pharaga lam su puraga chakhraga taman nate, we will continue to live. And you will also continue to live. We will live together for the rest of the centuries. And why today then? Adumoyna adugi wakhan budbida karigi adumoyni yang thiba. Lomdu tongan ba tokhiro. Create tokhino. This is Sadar Hills ki issue je ngasai UNC ki general secretary hai gre since 1981 36 years shigi mukna rakhrabne. legitimacy lam si ki mapu se meitei ga naga si boundary share the way in between who is there kana su lete ba and meitei gi history me am ba su the boundary is shared by the Nagas and the Meiteis in between kana le ye hojik kuki le na ko meitei na adu legitimacy pi kita bra adu ki question su lai but naga na su meitei na su kuki nang nahanmak lakpani 27 the lakpani nang chakro haide na nobody says that but akoy meitei sing na legitimacy established to biba legal means puthok raga atop means puthok raga mokhoi gi political mileage lo na ba puthok bodo adu chumde hai bone but torosu adu torosu let us sit down together and talk and bring understanding why government doesn't have the guts to call all the communities and sit down together and decide what to do hai bigi si to the bi da mokhoi na state kine haina pangthok kare ibubi bluntly mana hai thokre wisely hai thokwe haina so hai bi those no adubu without knowing the reality how can he say that the land belongs to the state why on what ground whereas Manipur Land Reform Act of 1960 says section 3 na hairi this land laws extend to the whole state of Manipur except hills thereof hills kisidi it is owned by the customary laws this belongs to the people Mushai former president UNC na haigre community private family village habigi mayam gi leye ko lam habise that's why when we give out to the government for establishment of government infrastructure etc we donate them compensation bise land acquisition act apply to pi de lump sum but in the valley different land acquisition bal ka adum myam tawe ko hojik railway gi de pi ba adu ada da atop da pi bise company gi yada gi hoi square feet tawra ka tawbo ane ko that this they have to understand this that's why when it comes to land matters government doesn't have a say adunida aduna hojik ki Manipur da India da Indian Forest Act of 1927 misi chatnari Manipur da one soon after the merger agreement was signed it was automatically imposed there hojik ki Manipur ki Manipur Forest Rule 1971-72 ko adu chingdi chatna tene it doesn't apply to the hills why because land belongs to the community living there adu na ibobina adu chief minister na honorable chief minister na adu moina land belongs to the state haibdo he is wrong he has hujik mana yade harsu time will come for him to take back the statement he has made
date see 30th October midnight dagina hauraga 8 December phaugi manungda di lay khraba ina khraba gi matungina MOU gi matungina district create tawbasi it cannot be created without consulting all the stakeholders sign a chalambani abako without consulting till 8 adubo 8 gi ahingda mana surgical strike tawraga 7 district create tawkhibasi aduna ekhoi gi decision asina it should be rolled back haibane we cannot allow further bifurcation of our land without consulting the Naga people haikibane this is very clear ne hoi asina wapamama adu atopa wapamama na ngasai ekhoi gi former president ga ANSAM gi president haibakumna Nagas knows how to live together with all communities ekhoi develop tawmina se progress tawmina se haibadi ekhoi yam heya basida but don't go beyond that objective kita chatpati shoigini one point the another point means aina article the internet da paba phangeba UNC na ningon chakauba thugai re good thugai re have article paba phangeba ko adu da aina adumoina thamninge state gi policy makers the government of Manipur ne ba mahangna naga sing asi len asi bu allergic tawi haibadagi dama khangna date 31st October da district declare tawgad bani haina magi position adu law ke the moment madu tawrok kanddi naga sing si agency haurokani oirubdi ningon cha ko basu success tawroi kuchu success tawroi haibagi policy ama mana shingraga adu moinde thokibni aba ningon cha ko bai basidi festival amane kuchi festival amane why does he mix politics with festival knowingly shinkibni aba aikoina November date 4 ki da hojiki JC na puthok pada hayado 2015 gi October date 30 da unare shanare May da inaugurate tawgani hai September da tawgani hai amuka October date 31st mean he has mixed politics with festival. This means to isolate the Nagas. Nagabu mete ching now sing na shu cookie eating now sing na shu yengti shu no anti festival anti people ne hai na tahan ge hai bagi plot na tarbadi kari oigani that he creates it. Now adu da kidama hojing na sai gi hai ki bakum na naga khoi na shoot tok to be the adu moi na agitation chathari basi kari ki da magno hai na ko Manipur da leiriba mayam aduna ibobi government bu hangbiya ba what is wrong with the Nagas kari lekhrabano mukhoina chup kalibasi haina amutung hangbiyo state gi policy maker kana government ko madu ki policy do kana na decision loy it is the state government
kana so hangdana hoji bawda
please hangbiyo you are the policy maker you are and also you are the decision maker kri damak community mayam yamna nungai na hingmi na baya bada kri damak community amana adumoy na agitation chakhibra basi ekoi mete intellectuals khoina social worker politician bing na khoina hangbi dabra sine yamna mayai de neutral koina ekoi media friends amutung hangbiyo madi yengodo pajen resolve taw she haidabida adugi lambi chataduna day 25 November da ekoi gi president ga information and publicity secretary tawida adugi matungda UNC gi executive mayam arrest tawda mane hare adugi matungda all the functionaries aye where is he leading ekoi bukari jaga da man pubiri engon da phaba yae general secretary bo ei kumba lakhs leye ahe bengon da hen he singba adubu ishorna nangi matang ne haina thamjabagi wane the spirit of the Nagas on land will never die down. We are not going to compromise either. Kari forces na shu masi thu gaiba nga moy hai basi Mr. Ibobi na luchin liba government na khangbi rang rabdi masi thogwa ba.
Time has come for the people to ask the government of Manipur the positions of the government of Manipur on this prevailing issue. Hujik lady sida government ki position si krino hai ba sidi hangpam thokre si akhoi lom desu hangning what is the position of the government of Manipur, how they have planned out to settle this matter, or do they think that the sum irang du to holaga continue to holaga dum rest of the years, rest of the centuries adum tham khrage haibra haibishi time has come for the people to ask this.
Yasinabagi pot haibudi ekodidi thodopol lejde sengna hijabda hilarious committee go shu tanade District Council local self governing body busu tanade UNC naga bodies mayam tribe na semba body ne UNC bise Manipur da leriba tribe tra truk tra tret tra nipan mayam sigi representative na semlakpa body ni UNC bise masiga tanaga dobni aduga masida tribe mayam ANSAM all naga students association sumana leriba tanaga dobni tanade adu already tanaga doba porto tanadraga hoji thoibsi senapti ani thongna khaidokre kru tangkholi jinau singi mafamda ani thongna khadupikre chandela ani thongna khadupikre jirbam na tamilong na ahum thokre ba noni tamilong jirbam da amuga jirbam da question ba yabam khai kosilaga suman tawriba phibam malaya ba aduna aigi hingon na aigi kun maktada tugai biraga kunani thohan ba haiba phom sidi ekoi sidi masidi compromise tawba ngamdaba phom malaya ba maramduna masi state government na pending da thamgudoribra rollback tawudoribra madudi government gi wisdom tare ko adubo madugi phom se ibubi sargana hoji haribdana dialogue su tawroi adoga sigi sabda dum confront tawra kam legni haibudo mudu already madu nakrai kri or report lakdobno nagana ju hando oi hare adu already kri thogdobno haibudo kana gi khusemna mudi dum pop taraya adana mesi de khona haibdana block tawriba haibsidi asai su phasna panbi kare kana gum particular community amabo target ora to bunate misi against the government bo tawrubuda public akho mayam se wamina ribne aba aduna haibdana government bo target on tawribni amuda mayam se kri gidam government na kri gid ofam du hangbi debra government na masi kramana resolve to udu no haibdi karisu hangdre aba government na tawtho iba mayam se chume naga mayam se alarm da tai moina wahan ga na wahalibni simata aiba aduna president ga information secretary bo pharibsi government gi statecraft di tap tawbuyai chaliba movement do dum tana ga tawribiyai ko ado dum phadokre haibudana mayam phagni are phao maduna solution already phao adoga akhone di thadokpio haibsida adudi block lift taw ong hairaba chief secretary nisu Chief Secretary sahab, President ga Information Secretary bo thadokpio thadokdobni habse block handokdobni modi wafam krisho relation leite block di government gi decision district sumaina ani ri tere thok na ba haibdo mang phau mang da ba taibang da oina mang la ba bita taibang da oina lakrabdo port mania ba aduna UNC gi president ga magi secretary information secretary thadokpio habdi talk tawbutare president li tawni decision law bada president yawdana akan ba decision law banga moy maramdana president ga information secretary mabani bo bandi ama dauna thamaga talk tawba ada imphal da haibaganda sini halakbudo imphal da talk tawradi mabani su talk ta yawbi ya imphal da tawrubni na police custody lawthogni to yawni loisalam police custody thamjinma mudu wafma haraya ba madunadi talk haina lawdra madudi chumra madudi logic khodi madudi khangde maramdi thadobini fix tawra ekoi pre discussion laini kramena promising ni habmoko madudi formality samaduni madu phauchu nga wa heba madudi hisabne ba aduna lairiba pibamje resolve tawuni hardi government gi su initiative hama logwa proactive role siko karino kram doroga masida pen daba sida warring group habitare pen daba sida sauna leriba ningam daba kangbusibo kramena wari saadobno haibamdi government gi initiative mdi lawdi tagai phade aba election gi party masindum election tawnari aduga naga mayam gi UNC gi makhada haridi mdi decision hoji habdi krisu lekte akhoi hojima I think it's too premature to make any announcement ko mudu election matang da aduna masigi di party ki congress ki mi candidate thagalanani BJP thaganarani adu lairiba NPF thagat pe yai ko lairiba kana independent lab ko ba mayam lerani adu masida kari haina boycott tawbugi support tawbugi tawro dubugi have the decision di hoji ko matam si amna ngan mali madu tana bus lekhide
7 district create tawkiba yaba yadaba haibado government of Manipur na MOUs written assurances makaising gi letter and spirit honor tawgdamani madu honor tawdrbadi ekoina yagadabasi yamna lui position leikhrabane we cannot go back to the position we can't afford our land further bifurcation without the knowledge of the Naga people haibasi yamna clearly edi thamdinge ngasai gi khajik tampalle jingsi MLR ek oirabde might be it is up to the governments but ownership haibasi leido ekwe Manipur the dual system of government leido even parliamentary constituency hai outer parliamentary constituency hai amana inner hai to that shows yamna khetna dun leiya ba khoi hil the hojigi article 371 na provision period basina C gi clause yadina takpadi the administration of the hill is different haidu na chadli bane do land law ba ya administration in all aspect ne ba aduga just ekoina khachik tam maning hanche haibatarle India independence phangdringai do di value do di presidential darbar na administer tawina adubu chingi di tungan after 1907 the ekwe political agent na lagraga administer tawido anisi manna de aba adu de gidama naga na shu atopa community gi history on land and people's right respect tawu the mani go every nagas likewise ekwe na respect tawu kumduna atopa na shu respect tawrbadi prithvi gi mi mayam si Iran talk to be the peacefully min ba yaiba andubo masisi het suppression oppression hegemonic oirapakanda de as a people as a nation ekwetumina lebangam yadiaba we must assert our rights asini this is our land that is yours this is our way of life that is yours haibado madu respect our nagadabani if you respect us we will respect you many more times haibasi adum na thamjage